What would you do if you were caught behind the wheel after drinking or faced a life-changing court decision? In this jaw-dropping courtroom footage, watch judges lay down the law, deal with intense legal consequences, and reveal exactly how far the system will go when your freedom is on the line. You won't believe what happens next.
Are you first about Thomas's?
Yeah, I can.
Oh yeah, we never got Thomas's.
Yeah, I'll meet them.
Raise your hand. Ready?
Mr.
Mr. Davis.
Daniel Martina Pedraza.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Page 9? Okay.
Morning, Judge.
Hey, how are you?
It's very good.
Happy Friday, man.
Hi.
Did you say Marquina?
Martina Pedraza.
Hey, this is now not the time for you to talk to him about this. You're Martina Pedraza.
Yes.
You're charged with driving while intoxicated. It's elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because of a high blow. You were facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. On April 18th, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, a law enforcement officer observed a vehicle stalled in a moving lane of traffic. The law enforcement officer approached the vehicle and found the defendant in the driver's seat asleep with the vehicle running and foot on the brake pedal. The law enforcement officer woke the defendant up and noticed a mild odor of alcoholic beverage, slurred speech, and glossy eyes. The defendant admitted to consuming alcohol. Standard field sobriety tests were conducted. A 6 out of 6 on the HGN was recorded. A 7 out of 8 on the walk and turn. A 3 out of 4 on the one-leg stand. The defendant consented to breath and blew a .157 and a .154.
Can you look at my DWIs and licenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
So we Marquina will find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward in the case. I'm warning you now as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, unprescribed controlled medication, and I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're using any alcohol or illegal drugs, I will put you in jail. No more PR bonds. I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you're not in this country with permission and you go to jail and immigration finds you because they sweep it hourly, if they find you, they will put a detainer on you and you will be stuck like Chuck in there until this case is over with and then you get shipped off to immigration. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you do not have a Texas driver license and liability insurance, you are not allowed to drive, and that is also a bond condition.
Your Honor, we have no prior DWIs, but the driver's license data is not populating at all. There's no indication.
No license.
No license, Judge.
Do not drive, Mr. Martina. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising you're not going to drive. I don't care what your excuse is. If I find that you drive, I can have a contempt hearing. You can be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine. Nothing in this life can you say that will justify driving. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Temptation is big. Just don't do it.
Okay.
So for now, I'm going to have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive. We will get you to Victoria where you will sign a reset. You will eventually get with pre-trial for your bond conditions, and after that, you'll be free to go. Because you have a lawyer, I'm going to waive your appearance. You don't have to waste your time coming to court, but you must stay in touch with counsel, and he will tell you if and when you have to come back to court. If he tells me that he cannot get a hold of you because you're ducking and dodging phone calls, text messages, I'm going to issue a warrant for your arrest. If they call you to go take a drug test and you fail to appear, a warrant for your arrest will be issued.
Yes, sir.
All right? Come on.
Hey, Judge.
Thanks. Blessing.
Yes, Your Honor.
You need the cause number on this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is 256-0811. You are Miss Morales Vega.
Yes.
Ma'am, you're charged with prostitution. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor. On April 19th, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, an officer was working in an undercover capacity in plain clothes when he entered a sexually oriented club and sat down at a table. The officer engaged in conversation with the defendant. The defendant agreed to participate in oral sex with the officer for a fee of $400. The officer notes that the conversation was recorded. The arrest/enforcement team detained the defendant and took her into custody without incident.
And I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward. And reporting you now as a condition of your bond for evasion is lifetime behavior. If I find that you do, I will revoke your bond and put you in custody, ma'am. I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you're not in this country with permission and you go to jail and immigration finds you, they will put an immigration detainer on you and you will be stuck in custody until this case is over with and then you get shipped off to immigration. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Can I provide you a lawyer today? Would you like a lawyer?
I have an attorney. Yes.
Are they supposed to be here today?
Not today.
Sí, pero no veo como que a ver, no tenía que presentarse.
She said she hired one, but he's told her that he did not need to be here today.
Person hasn't filed any documents. I don't know. I mean, I can, if you would like, I can give you more time. I'm happy to give you a court-appointed lawyer today if you want one. You tell me what you'd like to do. I can, reset you and give you more time. Normally, lawyers file documents.
Give me another date.
Okay. Like I said, if you want a free lawyer, I'm happy to give you one today. So if you have problems when you're out there, you can come back and we're happy to give you one.
I have one.
Okay. That's fine. I just hopefully they'll come here for the next setting. I don't know. For now, I'm going to have you go to Victoria, sign and reset. After that, I'm going to have you take your seat in the jury box while we get your bond conditions. We're going to have you sign them, and after that, you'll be free to go. Do you mind filing your conditions, please?
Absolutely.
No engaging in this.
If you thought that was intense, trust me, you haven't seen anything yet. From shocking rulings to courtroom drama that could change someone's life forever, there's so much more coming. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because you don't want to miss a single moment of these unbelievable courtroom stories.